Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Think Big Digital, where we bring you professional tips, tools, and techniques to enhance your digital productivity and security. In today's video, we're going to learn how to download videos from Canva, and for that, we're going to move on to the website. And first off, we're going to click on the Create Design option. And we're going to choose the videos options from the toggle that appeared afterwards. Here I'm choosing a random video that appears from the front. I'm gonna choose this video and it's gonna pop up. The file is gonna open up, and we're gonna move on to the share option right on the right corner, upper right corner. And we're gonna move on to the download option, and we can see that the mp4 video format is already selected, so that's the recommended format, and we're gonna hop on and download the file. Here we can see that it's gonna take a few while to process the video, but soon the download is gonna start up on the right corner. And now we can see that the download has started. So this is it for today, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, please take a moment to like this video, and if you have any queries, drop it comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible to associate you with our best efforts. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.